Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello my dear students, welcome back to First Commerce Accountancy online classes. Dear student, in the previous class we had discussed about the financial transactions, financial statement illustrations. In that, now we are able to prepare the financial statement which contains new adjustments like how we can record the PDD or how we can calculate depreciation, where we can record new provision or further bad debt, and how we can record or where we can record the adjustments relates to the computation of interest on capital and all. Let's move to solve one more illustration relates to the preparation of financial statement with the new adjustments like computation of interest on drawings and some more interesting adjustments relates to the computation of further bad debt, new provision and discount on debtors, that is computation of new provision on discount on debtors. Let's move. Yes my dear student, see this illustration. The question is like this: the following balances have been extracted from the trial balance of Kolkata stores. You are required to prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet for the year ending 31st March 2016. Here all informations are given. Here clearly they mention the debit balance and credit balance informations are clearly given, correct? So here in this side debit balance shown, giving in this side all the debit balances informations are given, and in this side all the credit balance information are given. You know credit and debit differences. Here amount in rupees, amount in rupees. Then see the required information in this trial balance. Opening stock 20,000, furniture 10,000, drawings. Here date is given. Why? I will tell you. If here date is not given, say for example 1/4/2015, here date is given. So the owner of the business withdrew amounts from the business in the middle of the year, not in the beginning or not at the end of the year. So when we calculating interest on drawings, this date is considered, this date is very important. From the date when we withdrew, means when the owner withdrew the amounts from the business, from that date till the end of the year we have to charge interest. So that's for that reason in some illustration they will give date, that is what 1/4/2015. This is what the very beginning of the year 1/4 ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವಿತ್ಡ್ರೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. So in bracket alli later this considered as very important when in the adjustment if the adjustment is there relates to the drawings. Say for example interest on drawings. At that time when we calculating interest on drawings, we should consider date of drawings also, date when we withdrew. Next purchases, bad debts, carriage. Carriage means it is expense or the cost incurring when transporting goods into a business from a supplier. ಸಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಫರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗಳು ಇನ್ಕರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್, ಆ ಟೈಪಿನ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಮ್ ಇಲಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಎಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆನ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆನ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. If just a carriage is given, just record this amount under trading account. ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಅಸೆಟ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಕೋಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್. Trade expenses comes under your profit and loss account, not under trading account. Trade expenses comes under profit and loss account. Rent, rates and taxes, profit and loss account. Debtors asset means comes under balance sheet. Capital, balance sheet. Sales, profit and loss account. Bank overdraft, your balance sheet. Bad debt provision, profit and loss account. See, bad debt provision, bad debt is when bad debt and bad debt provisions if given in the trial balance, then it is considered as old provision, old bad debt. In the previous sum, when I explaining about the previous sum, I told that is we should consider that as what, old bad debts. If any other adjustments like further bad debt or new provision is given in the adjustment, then we should consider that transaction as what, new adjustment. Then bills payable, apprenticeship premium. Apprenticeship premium means it is an income. It is an income for, it is providing for training to someone. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಟ್ರೇಡ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಡೀಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮನ್ನು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಕಮನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ರೆಂಟಿಸ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ it is shown on the credit side of the profit and loss account. This apprenticeship premium shown on the credit side of the profit and loss account as income. This is considered as what, income anta consider ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. apprenticeship premium ಒಂದು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನು apprenticeship ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ actually apprenticeship means it is a system for providing training to a new generation or to a new one of practitioners of trade or profession with on the job training. On the job training method alli idu apprenticeship premium also one of apprenticeship program also one of the training under on the job training. So means ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಗಳನ್ನು, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ apprenticeship ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this is what, income for the organization. This is recorded under profit and loss, revenue or gains. And see the adjustments. Closing stock, we know that it should record under trading account and balance sheet asset side. Further bad debt, we should add this amount to the bad debt amount and new provision at 5%. We should calculate this discount on debtors also. Here 3 adjustments are there. Let's see how we can calculate these provisions and all in the solution part. Interest on drawings is given here, so we should consider date of withdrew. I told that. So depreciate furniture, it's easy one, just calculate the depreciation on the original amount. Book value of the asset 10,000 is the value of the asset, 10,000 into 10 by 100. We should write depreciation amount in the profit and loss amount column, not the asset value. Apprenticeship premium received in advance. If you received any advance receipt, advance income, then it is what, a liability, correct? So here received in advance you have to deduct. Then let's come to the solution part. Write solution, draw neat lines. This is a trading profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 16. Don't forget to write debit and credit, it's very important. Then fill these columns expenses or losses, amount in rupees, revenues or gains, amount in rupees. First account, trading account. You know the format. It starts from to opening stock. See the question. Opening stock 20,000. Write amount in amount column. Next, according to the format of trading account, next two purchases. If return is there, you have to deduct. Is there any information is given relates to returns, purchase return or sales return? No. So you can write amount in amount column 95,000. Next, carriage. Here furniture, asset, drawings comes under later calculation. Purchases we wrote, bad debts, profit and loss, carriage. So to carriage. What is the amount? 5,000. Next, bank deposit, balance sheet, bank charges, profit and loss, coal, gas and water, profit, here coal, gas and water is there. So to coal, gas and water. Factory related expenses, so 8,000. Trade expenses comes under profit and loss, rent rates, profit and loss, debtor balance sheet, capital balance sheet, sales, trading, bank overdraft balance sheet, provision, bills payable, apprenticeship. So all these are comes under the next part. So write by sales. How much? 1,10,000. Is there any returns? No returns. So just write the next one by closing stock. By closing stock. How much? Closing stock where information is there in the adjustment. So 10,000. Next, you know the next step, correct? Totaling. Greater amount on both sides. See, 1,10,000 plus 10,000, 1,20,000. See this debit side, here shows greater value, correct? 95,000 plus 20 plus 5,000 plus 8,000. Here expenses is greater than your revenues. At that time what we will get? Yes, gross loss. In the previous sum and all, we earned gross profit. Their revenue is greater than our expense, so that's why the difference amount is considered as gross profit or net profit. But in this case, our revenue is lesser than our expense, so the difference amount is called as what? Gross loss. 1,28,000 is the total amount. We should write on both sides. Then we should deduct the lesser amount. Difference amount is 8,000 by gross loss, and you should mention carried down. That same amount should brought down here, 2 gross below the total, 2 gross loss brought down, amount 8,000. Next, see the next information which are given in the trial balance. Starts from to bad debts. Some calculation is there here. 2 bad debts. How much? 2,000. It is old bad debt which is given in the trial balance. See the adjustment part. Here further bad debt is given. New provision is given. Again discount on debtor is also given. So ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೇಟನ್ನು ಡೆಟ್ಟರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಳಿದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 more adjustments are there. One is further bad debt, again old bad debt, and again old provision plus new provision. ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? Let's see. So just write the amount in inner column. 2 bad debts. You should consider the trial balance bad debt. Write the amount in inner column. Next, add further bad debt which is given in the adjustment. Add further bad debt. Further bad debt. How much? 2000. So what is the total amount now? Yes, 4000. So next, what is the next step? Again we have to calculate what 2 more adjustment. Again we have to record 2 more adjustment. How we can record this 2 adjustment? Just let's see. First, see if the adjustment is given, if the bad debt is given in the trial balance, consider that as old bad debt. Write amount in inner column. Next, add further bad debt which is given in the adjustment to that amount. So you will get one amount. For that, add new provision. You know how we can calculate new provision. To calculate new provision, we need to deduct further bad debt amount from the debtor's value, correct? New provision at 5%. So what is the debtor's value here? What is the debtor's amount? 20,000. See in bracket 20,000 minus 2,000. Minus 2,000. 2,000 is what? Further bad debt. ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 10/100. So 20,000 minus 2,000, here 18,000. 18,000 into 500. 18,000 into 5/100. What is the amount? Calculate now. Yes, 900. 20,000 minus 2,000. 2,000 is a further bad debt value. So remaining amount 18,000. For that 18,000 you have to calculate provision. Provision at 5%. Amount 900. So 4,900. Then you have to calculate discount on debtors also here. Discount on debtors information is given, adjustment is given. So how we can calculate discount on provision? So here see the procedure. Add new provision. See ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ on discount on debtors. So discount on debtors calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ debtors value ಮೇಲೆ, but we have to deduct further bad debt and again new provision also, new provision. For the remaining amount 17,900. For the remaining amount we can calculate discount on debtors, that is 3/100. 20 minus 2,000 we know 18,000. 18,000 minus 900. 18,000 minus 900. 17,900. Sorry, 17,100, not 900. 17,100 into 3/100. What is the amount? 513. 513. Now write the amount in amount column. No, before that 4,900 plus 513. So you will get 5,413. 5,413. Calculate once. 4,900 plus. So you 513, 5,413. Next, one adjustment means one entry you have to record here. See the trial balance once. Here, old provision is given. See the trial balance and the credit balance. Bad debts provision. What you can do thus, you have to deduct the old provision which is given in the trial balance. So deduct old provision. Old provision. How much? 5,000. Then remaining amount write in amount column. See the procedure. Bad debts, add further bad debt. Further bad debt information will be given in the adjustments. Then new provision calculation. When calculating new provision, we have to deduct further bad debt amount from the debtors value. For the remaining amount, we have to calculate new provision. Then again, if discount on debtor is given, then we have to deduct new further bad debt, again new provision amount. For the remaining amount, we can calculate discount on debtors, write the amount in inner column, then finalize the amount. Then if any old provision is given in the trial balance, you have to deduct from these amounts. Just you can write, then only you can write the amount in the amount column. So remaining amount only 413. Next, see the other transactions, other information, other balances. Bank charges. Bank deposit comes under balance sheet. So bank charges. If any adjustment is given outstanding or any prepaid and all, then you have to give concentration on that. So here there is no adjustment to these transactions. So 1,000. Coal and gas we recorded. Trade expenses. The next one is 2 trade expenses. 2 trade expenses. How much? Yes, 4,000. 4,000. The next case, rent, rates and taxes. Is there any outstanding or prepaid? Just see the adjustments. No adjustments relates to this. So write rent, rates and taxes amount in amount column. So rent rates, how much? What is the value? 7,000. And the next case, debtors comes under balance sheet. Is there any other adjustment? Check once. Come to adjustment part. Closing stock recorded. Further bad debt clear. The second one clear. Third one, interest on drawings. Yes, interest on drawings. It is income or expense. It's a pure income to the organization, because for the what owner withdrew amounts for his personal use. For that he have to pay some kind of interest to the business organization. So for the business point of view, that that receipt is considered as what? Income. Business owner ಗೆ ಲೋನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ will come under interest on drawings, will come under profit and loss credit side. So any other? Yes, here one apprenticeship premium is there, right? So that apprenticeship premium is income for the organization. When I am explaining that and analyzing the question, I gave the explanation for that by apprenticeship premium. $5,000. How much? Yes, 2,000, not 5,000, 2,000. So for that, see the adjustment, received in advance. If any income received, then we have to deduct advance receipt. How much? 500. It's a liability, right? 1,500. So apprenticeship premium, income to the organization. The next one, by interest on drawings. Interest on drawings. What is the drawings amount? 10,000. But in bracket, date is given 1/4/2015. Is there any requirement to calculate month? No, because from the beginning till the end we have to charge interest now. Say for example, in that date, if the date is like this 1/6/2015, then we have to calculate date, means 6 enough starting in the 31st March ತನಕ 10 months interest calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಟಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ತನಕ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೇಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 12 month. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, 10,000 ಪರ್ಸಂಟೇಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 6/100. So 600. Next, depreciation. To depreciation. Depreciation, furniture at 10%. Furniture Furniture, what is the value of furniture? 10,000 into 10/100. Depreciation is a expense to the organization. So 10,000. Write the amount in amount column, 1,000. So now we covered we recorded all the transactions, all the adjustments, all the information. What is the next step? Totaling. Greater amount under both side. So here also ನೋಡುವಾಗ credit side ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ, debit side ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Just calculate the amount. 8,000 plus 413 plus 1,000 plus 4,000, 7,000, 1,000. So total 21,413. So greater amount on both side, 21,413. Deduct this amount, 21,413 minus 600 minus 1,500. So 19,313 ಅನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ಸರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್. 10,000 ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು 15,000 ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ನೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್. You have to mention transferred to capital account. $19,313. So here one new adjustment, that is computation of provision and further bad debt, and this is the sum relates to gross loss and net loss. ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ಸೊ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್ ಆನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್, ಲೆಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊವಿಷನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಹೆಡ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಆನ್ 31st March 2016. Liabilities, amount in rupees. Assets, amount in rupees. Clear? And record the information properly. capital, what is the value? 64,000. If net loss is there, we have to deduct less net loss 19,313. 44,687. Next, less drawings 10,000. Then you will get 34,687. 34,687. Then you have to deduct interest on drawings also. Interest on drawings 600. So 34,087. Interest on capital is given, then you have to add, but here interest on drawings you have to deduct. Then see the trial balance information, debit balance and credit balance. Bank overdraft how much? 10,000. Then bills payable 6,000. Next, apprenticeship, see the adjustment, apprenticeship premium received in advance. So advance receipt of apprenticeship premium you have to deduct, means you have to record under liability side. So apprenticeship premium received in advance. 500. Next, record all the assets, items which are comes under asset side. Furniture. Here write the amount in inner column because you have to deduct depreciation. How much? 1,000. 9,000. Next, bank deposit 15,000. Debtors 20,000 inner column because you have to deduct many items here. Less bad debts. Business bad debts 2,000. Then new provision 900. This is what further bad debt, mention further bad debt. First one further bad debt, second one new provision, third one new provision on discount on debtors. You have to deduct all these. New provision for discount on debtors. New provision on discount on debtors, which is already calculated, 513. So deduct all these from 20,000 minus 2,000 minus 900 minus 513. 16,587. Correct? 16,587. Next, see the adjustment. Already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ 2 ಸಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದಾ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್. How much? 10,000. and further bad debt calculation we completed, we recorded this information. Interest on drawings, yes, once we recorded under profit and loss account, and here also we deducted that amount from this amount. And the next case, depreciation, yes, we calculated under we calculated in profit and loss account, and we recorded that amount in debit side of the profit and loss account, and here also we deducted that amount from the furniture value. And next, apprenticeship premium, which is received in advance, so that's why it is considered as what? Liability. So the next step is totaling. As we know that assets must equal to liabilities and capital of the business. So just calculate liabilities side now. Use calculator. 34,087 plus 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 500. How much? 50,587. 50,587. Let's see the asset side. 9,000 plus 15,000 plus 16,587 plus 10,000. Yes, this side also 50,587. Now your trial balance showing the equal value on both sides, that is asset side and liability side. According to the agreement of this balance sheet, our assets must equal to the liabilities and capital of the firm. So here we achieved that. So 50,000, 580,000 on both sides. It means what? Ella transactions galanna, ella items galanna correct agi record madideve. Trading account alli correct agi gross loss or gross profit anna find out madideve. In this case namge gross loss sikkide. Next later part profit and loss account. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದು ರೆವೆನ್ಯೂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆ ನೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 64,000 ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ನೆಟ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಅಗೈನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಅಪ್ರೆಂಟಿಸ್ಶಿಪ್ ಪ್ರೀಮಿಯಂ ಅನ್ನ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಮೇಜರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ both equal value on both sides. Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.